you ever dreamed of just dropping everything, grabbing a tiny boat, and heading out to sea? No registration, no heavy trailers, no massive budgets. Just you, a sail, and the endless horizon. I love the ocean, and I love traveling. Throughout my life, I've tried dozens of different boats, from classic lasers to catamarans and custom home-built designs. But every single time, I ran into the same exact problem. The perfect ready-made boat for solo adventures just doesn't exist. The fast ones are too complex. The simple ones are too heavy. Today, I'm going to share how I went from being completely frustrated with existing designs to creating the Siam Skiff. The laser and the fin as a reference. The laser is fast and lightweight, but it offers zero comfort and is actually quite complex to handle. The fin is much more comfortable, but it's heavy. The next logical step was a catamaran. It fixes two pain points at once. It's both fast and comfortable, but it brings two new problems. It's heavy and logistically extremely complex to set up, and that's where the Siam Skiff comes in. I designed it to hit the ultimate sweet spot. It's as lightweight as a laser, as comfortable and fast enough to have a fun, yet remaining incredibly simple. The Siam Skiff has practically zero draft. Here are the key features. Self-draining cockpit. Any wave that splashes and clears out completely on its own. Balance Lug rig. A single, straightforward sail with a low center of effort. No overpriced hardware, minimum blocks. Just pure reliability.
Якорь плавучий, он же песочный. Здесь вязочка. Собственно, отчалили.
The dagger board retracts flush with the deck, keeping it completely out of the crew's way. The boat handles waves beautifully, feeling incredibly stable and secure. Plus, the high boom keeps it from catching the water when the boat heels. If you have any questions left, feel free to ask in the comments. Today is World Oceans Day 2026. Congratulations!